With Fergus Go, capturing job details on site has never been easier. In this video, we'll walk you through the Fergus Go app from the perspective of a timesheet user. Note, this demo shows what a timesheet user can do with all permissions enabled. Your access may vary depending on your specific permission settings. Open the Fergus Go app. You'll land on the home page, which displays your upcoming schedule and an assigned tab showing any unscheduled jobs assigned to you. Let's tap into a job card to explore the tools available. At the top, you'll see job number, title, and description, followed by the timer. Use this to track your time on the job. Tap to start at the beginning and stop it when you're done. We'll cover how to add time manually in just a moment. Next, you'll see the job, site address, and key contact details. Use the map icon for directions or tap the call or message icons to quickly contact the site or main contact. Let's explore the tools you can use on site. Time entries. Tap time entries to view or add time. Hit the plus button to manually enter your start and end times, and include a description of the work completed. Need to log uncharged time like a break? Tap uncharged time, select the time and duration, and add a reason, for example, unpaid break. When you're done, save your entry. After saving, Fergus will ask if your work is complete or if you need to return. This helps update the job's progress for the person handling admin. Assign and schedule. See who's assigned to the job and view their schedules. Photos, videos, files, and notes. Access all media and notes uploaded to the job. Just tap into each section to view the content. Forms. View and complete any forms assigned to the job. Tap a form, fill it out, and submit it when ready. Hazards. Mark a job as hazard-free or log any new hazards. Tap plus add to report a hazard. Fill in the required fields and hit save. And finally, checklists. Similar to forms, use this to complete assigned checklists on site. Here's what you'll find at the bottom of the screen. Calendar. View your jobs in calendar format. You can toggle between daily and multi-day views and jump between dates. Search. Use the search bar to find jobs by number, title, address, or customer name. Timesheet. View your daily jobs and check whether you've logged time. Simply tap the plus on a job to add a time entry. You can also add uncharged time not related to a job, for example, for meetings or training. Menu. Notifications allows you to view a list of your notifications. The notice board is a shared company message board. Tap plus to post. Select health and safety to view your company's safety officer, policy, or nearest medical centres, and report incidents by tapping plus and entering the details. You'll also find settings, the ability to contact Fergus, and a logout option here as well. And that's it! Fergus Go gives you the tools to record work, time, and job details quickly and easily wherever you are.